Sinasabi niya na kailangan mong harapin lahat 'to kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayong earth sign. I am seeing here Page of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Six of Swords, Five of Wands, Nine of Swords. Andito yung hindi mo matanggap yung pagkawala nung isang tao na 'to, okay? And then nandito na rin yung Six of Swords na parang hinahayaan mo na lang mag-go with the flow. Andito rin yung Five of Wands na merong habang dinadanas mo yan with the Nine of Swords na takot ka, may anxiety, may panic attack, may umiiyak gabi-gabi, okay? Andito yung may humahatak pa sa'yo pababa, okay? May crab mentality pa dyan, possible din sa family mo na nagpapahirap sa'yo. Okay, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Andito rin yung Page of Pentacles natin. Okay, andito yung Page of Cups,